Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is the best time to post on Instagram. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and dive in. The first thing I want you to do is to click on the lower right corner of your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click here on professional dashboard right under your profile icon. Okay, click on professional dashboard. And then I want you to scroll down to the section that is called total followers. Click on total followers and I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and there is a section that is called most active times. We have this filtered by hours, by days, and you can essentially click and see how many of your followers are active throughout these particular days. So as you can see over here, just simple arithmetic over here, you can see that on average we have a 2100 followers that are active from Monday through Friday. There's a very small discrepancies. On the high end we have 2153 followers on Monday, which appears to be the strongest day, followed by Tuesday and Sunday with 2140 or 48. The weakest, as usual, as we can see over here, we have the Wednesdays 128 and Thursdays 128 as well. Now if you filter by hours, you're gonna get the idea when is the best time to publish. As we saw, Monday, Tuesday are the strongest days of the week. In my particular case, this is what you're gonna pay attention to on your particular profile, which days are the strongest, you have the most volume, and when you pick up these days, you want to concentrate which hours you should publish. So as we can see over here, if you click again on the actual bar chart, you will find out how many of your followers are available at what time frame. So as we can see over here, the peak is again at 12 at noon. We have 821, but I would say that the range between 9 a.m. all the way up to 3 p.m. appears to be very good. You have on average between 810 and 787 people who will be there for you. Again, don't forget to use these arrows in front and behind the actual date of the week. So if you click, you can actually shift to Friday, Sunday, Saturday, so on and so forth. And this is how you find the best time to post on Instagram, guys. Subscribe and follow for more.